In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Typeform surveys anonymous. It's a simple process that doesn't require any special settings or subscription plans because Typeform is designed with privacy in mind. Let's dive in and explore what anonymous really means in the context of Typeform and how you can ensure that your respondent's information remains private. When we say Typeform is anonymous, it simply means that the platform does not inherently collect any personal identifying information, such as names, emails, or IP addresses. This is a great asset for anyone wanting to gather data without collecting personal identifiers, ensuring respondents can answer freely without concern. Your Typeform responses are completely anonymous unless you actively choose to include questions asking for identity information. Now, if keeping your Typeform anonymous is your goal, there are a few simple practices you can follow to guarantee privacy. First and foremost, be mindful not to add fields that collect personal information. This means avoiding questions that ask for names, email addresses, phone numbers, or any personal identifiers. Including these fields would naturally negate anonymity, as you would then have identifiable data tied to each response. Another point to note is to steer clear of using hidden fields or URL parameters that could pass recognizable information into your responses. These features are powerful for tracking and personalization, but do compromise anonymity by linking survey data to a particular respondent based on the data passed through these fields. You should also ensure that IP tracking is not enabled in your settings. While Typeform typically doesn't track IP addresses, if this setting is available and turned on, it would identify respondents through their IP, which breaks anonymity. So, checking your settings to confirm this is disabled is a step worth taking. Lastly, consider the type of questions you're including in your survey. To maintain anonymity, stick to neutral questions that don't require revealing personal information. These can be things like rating scales, multiple choice questions, binary yes or no options, or open-ended text fields. This way, you gather the insights you need while keeping the respondent's identity fully anonymous. By following these guidelines, your Typeform can effectively collect data without the risk of breaching respondent privacy. This approach not only builds trust with your audience, but also encourages more honest and transparent responses, as people feel more comfortable sharing their opinions when they know their identity isn't attached. So, there you have it. Keeping your Typeform anonymous is straightforward and easy, giving you peace of mind and freedom to collect essential data without compromising your respondents' privacy.